Morning.
Morning. Namaste.
Ma'am, namaste. How are you?
Hello.
How are you, ma'am?
So fine.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
And am I visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Because today some supply issue is there. No power supply here.
Mhm.
So let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Back straight, neck straight. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. Opening mantra, repeat after me. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम्
योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा
मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन
मलं शरीरस्य चोभ्यदकेन
योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनाम्
योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनिना
पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि
पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरासुतोऽस्मि
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं
व्याप्तं येन चराचरं
व्याप्तं येन चराचरं
तत्पदं दर्शितं येन
तत्पदं दर्शितं येन
तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
ओ
ॐ
join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently. Open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om
So, what was our yesterday topic?
Kundalini and power and the chakras.
Kundalini Shakti and Chakra. We completed yesterday Mooladhara Chakra, that is root chakra. What is the chanting mantra for Mooladhara Chakra?
Lam.
Lam. And the color
Red.
of Mooladhara Chakra? Red. And it associated with gonadal glands and element of earth. Okay. Our second chakra is Swadhisthana Chakra, that is pelvic chakra. Note down. The second chakra is located in pelvic area. The second chakra is located in pelvic area. It is creative center. It is creative center of self-expression, emotions, and pleasure. Self-expression, emotion, and pleasure. It is the creative center of self-expression, emotion, and pleasure. The chanting mantra for this chakra is VAM. 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 The chanting mantra for this chakra is VAM. The pelvic chakra is associated with the water element. It is associated with water element. And shares the same fluid and fluid, F-L-U-I-D, fluid, and shares the same fluid and flowing features, F-L-O-W-I-N-G, flowing features, F-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. The relevant color for this chakra is orange. The relevant color for this chakra is orange, and it has 6 petals. It has 6 petals. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
It has 6 petals. Twisting yoga poses such as triangle pose, stimulate, STIMULATE, stimulate the abdominal organs, to improve circulation, within the pelvic area. Triangle pose stimulate the abdominal organs to improve circulation within the pelvic area. Apart from this, hip opening asanas, and squats, 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 such as Malasana, 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 lizard pose, LIZARD, lizard pose, bound angle pose, BOUND, bound angle pose, helps to bring awareness, to this center, hip opening asanas and squats such as Malasana, lizard, bound angle pose helps to bring awareness to this center. Yoni Mudra is a perfect means. Yoni Mudra is a perfect means to connect to this chakra. It is most closely associated with adrenal gland. Yoni Mudra is the perfect means to connect to the second chakra, this chakra. Yoni Mudra, you know Yoni Mudra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one is Yoni Mudra. Next chakra is Manipur chakra. MANIPURA CHAKRA, Manipur chakra, also known as solar plexus chakra, SOLAR, solar, FLE, not FLE, PLE, XUS, plexus chakra, CHAKRA. It is situated at the navel area, NAVEL, and shines in bright yellow, SHINES, shines in bright yellow. means its color is bright yellow. It is the core of, it is the core of it is the core of your identity, ego and personality. It is the core of your identity, ego and personality. It helps to establish sense of willpower, SENSE, sense of willpower and determination. It helps to establish sense of willpower and determination. On a physical level, Manipur chakra, on a physical level, Manipur chakra regulates digestive system. Manipur chakra regulates digestive system. And locomotion also. Digestive system and locomotion. The Manipur chakra is associated with the element of fire. The Manipur chakra is associated with the element of fire. The chanting mantra for this chakra is Ram. RAM, Ram. An unbalanced Manipur chakra can result in low self-confidence. And increased stress. When the solar plexus chakra means Manipur chakra, is balanced, when the solar plexus chakra is balanced, you feel more confident and capable. Abdominal strengthening poses such as boat pose, such as boat pose, twisting asanas, and sun salutation help to balance the Manipur chakra. Help to balance the Manipur chakra. Kali Mudra. Kali Mudra can be used to access the energy of third chakra. Kali Mudra can be used to access the energy of third chakra. Which is formed by how it's formed? Which is formed by pressing the index fingers together and extending them while all the other fingers are interlaced, like this. All the other fingers are interlaced. Pressing the index finger together and extending them while all the other fingers are interlaced. Bhastrika pranayam can be practiced to activate the Manipur chakra. Can be practiced to activate the Manipur chakra. It is connected to the pancreas. It is connected to the pancreas. 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 And it has 10 petals. It has 10 petals. 10 petals is there. Like this. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
This is the symbol of Manipur chakra. 1 minute.
Kritanjali, the color of the sky behind you is amazing, you know?
Yes, it is.
Amazing. So you are in India now?
Yes, I am in India.
Okay, so this is the same timing as the school? It's 8:30 in your place? 9?
Yes, yes. Same timing.
Okay. I am in Indonesia now.
Okay. What timing it is right now?
So now it's later, it's 10:30.
10:30. Okay. Like 2 hours or 1.5 hours like
1.5,
that.
yes.
Yeah. Indonesia is also a beautiful place, right?
Yes, it is. Yes.
There is also their association, I guess.
In Bali.
Himalayan Yoga. Yes,
In
yes.
Bali. Yes, this is
Madhya ma'am,
yes.
you asked for videos on YouTube, uploading a video.
Yes, I know. Thank you. I'm following
Oh,
them.
you know,
Yes. I've checked
Where?
already.
where?
I've checked on the YouTube.
On YouTube, there is one channel, Bali Yoga School, not Himalayan Yoga Association.
Bali Yoga. Yes.
Yeah, Bali Yoga School. On that channel, this classes, this anatomy classes, I'm going to upload there.
Yes.
You can search on Bali Yoga School
Uh-huh.
and you find all the classes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
My all classes on Bali Yoga School.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You are from Indonesia?
Yes, I'm living now in Indonesia. Yes.
Okay. So, Manipur Chakra completed. Any question? Any question from Manipur Chakra and our second chakra? Our second chakra is Swadhisthana Chakra. First chakra
So what is the
Mooladhara.
mudra for the first chakra?
First chakra Mooladhara Chakra. Yes, Kritanjali
Mudra.
ma'am.
So what is the mudra for Muladhara chakra?
What is the Mooladhara Chakra mudra?
Yes, sir.
Mudra for Mooladhara Chakra is Ganesh Mudra.
Ganesh.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any question?
So
No
how it is
question?
like Ganesh mudra with hands?
Not with hand, with leg also. Like
Okay.
this, folded in like half lotus.
Uh-huh. Okay. Only?
Ganesh ji, sitting posture like Ganesh ji, one leg down and one leg on another leg.
Okay.
Our next chakra is Anahat Chakra. Anahata, Anahat Chakra, Chakra. Also known as Heart Chakra. The fourth chakra or the fourth energy center is located in the thoracic spine located in the thoracic spine near the heart and lung. The fourth energy center is located in the thoracic spine near the heart and lung and called Anahat Chakra. It is represented by the color green, means its color is green. Anahat Chakra's color is green. It associated with the air element, air element, AIR, air element, ELEMENT, air element. It has 12 petals. It has 12 petals and the chanting mantra is YAM. YAM, YAM. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
This is a symbol of Anahat Chakra. And its color is green. It has 12 petals. Chanting mantra for this chakra is YAM. It determines your sense of touch. It determines your sense of touch and enables you to connect with others and enables you to connect with others. Heart and chest opening yoga poses heart and chest opening yoga poses include back bends, such as cobra pose, that is Bhujanga, and Ustrasana, that is camel pose, and Kamatkar Asan. CAMATKARASANA, Kamatkar Asan. Can open the energetic centers of the heart. Can open the energetic centers of the heart and bring more light into Anahat Chakra. Clear? Means yoga poses such as cobra pose, camel pose, and Kamatkar Asan are very useful for Anahat Chakra. Padma Mudra. Padma Mudra can be used to balance the heart chakra. Padma Mudra. Padma means lotus.
Padmasana.
Lotus. Padma Mudra can be used to balance the heart chakra. How it forms? Padma Mudra?
By legs.
No.
No.
That is Padmasana.
Okay.
This is Padma Mudra
Okay.
with open fingers, like lotus, as a lotus flower. The thymus is the gland most closely linked with this chakra. The thymus is the gland most closely linked, LINKED, linked with this chakra.
Sorry, which gland? Again, please, can you repeat?
The thymus is the gland, thymus gland. It is associated with thymus gland.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Our next chakra is Visuddhi chakra. VISHUDDHI, Visuddhi. Visuddhi chakra. That is throat chakra. THROAT. Throat chakra. Its place in the throat and governs governs voice, 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 speech, SPEECH, and RING. It governs voice, speech, and hearing. Color for this chakra is blue. It is associated with the element of space, SPACE. It is associated with the element of space. It has 16 petals. It has 16 petals, and the mantra for chanting is hum. HM. Kritanjali ma'am, is it
Yes, sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Hum is the chanting mantra. The throat chakra helps to speak. It helps to speak and communicate with yourself and others. Blockages of energy in this chakra, can impair authentic expression and lead to problems with communication Blockages of energy in this chakra can impair authentic expression and lead to problems with communication. You may even experience ear, nose, and throat problems. If Visuddhi chakra is balanced, you feel confident to express your creativity. If Visuddhi chakra is balanced, you feel confident to express your creativity. Yoga poses such as Sarvangasana, that is shoulder stand. Setu Bandhasan, that is bridge pose. Halasana, Halasana, that is plow pose, and Matsyasana, fish pose. Fish pose helps to balance and purify, helps to balance and purify the throat chakra.
Can you please repeat after shoulder stand? What was the
After
name?
shoulder, yeah, poses that poses such as shoulder stand. Shoulder stand, Setu Bandhasan, bridge pose. Next is bridge pose. Halasana, plow pose, and Matsyasana, fish pose. Helps to balance and purify the throat chakra.
And I have a question. So bridge pose is not chakrasana?
No, bridge pose is not chakrasana.
Different.
Yes.
Okay.
Chakrasana is Urdhva Dhanurasana. Chakrasana is wheel pose, not bridge pose. Okay? Clear?
Yes, thank you.
Jnana Mudra is the mudra. Jnana Mudra is the mudra of internal wisdom. Jnana Mudra is the mudra of internal wisdom and can help to connect to Visuddhi Chakra. Thyroid gland is most commonly associated with this chakra. Thyroid gland is most commonly associated with this chakra. Clear? So today we complete Swadhisthana Chakra, Manipur Chakra, Anahat Chakra, and Visuddhi Chakra. And we left for tomorrow Ajna Chakra, that is third eye chakra, and last one Sahasrara Chakra. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So sit in any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight, adopt Jnana Chin Mudra, eyes closed, inhale deeply, exhale slowly, inhale for one time Om followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve bhadrani pasyanto.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्।
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Namaste and thank you for joining the class.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We will meet again tomorrow.
Bye bye.